Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your existing account on the Octa trading application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Octa trading app on your device, and once you are taken into the homepage, tap on the login button. You will then see various different methods of logging in. If you created your account using your Google or your Facebook account, you can tap on the respective buttons to log in through your Google or Facebook. Otherwise, tap on the continue with email button, and now you can enter your credentials. Just type in your email address that you have used while signing up for your account and then enter your password underneath. You can then tap on the login button and you will now be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your email address. So just check your inbox and now you will find your login code. Just enter this code within the given box and then tap on the submit button, and now you will be logged in to your Octa trading application account right away. And you can now start trading and making your deposits and withdrawal right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Octa trading app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.